Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. So in today's video, I thought I would go over how I DIY'd my steampunk costume. Basically what I did was I took a bunch of different pieces and put them together and see what I liked that fit. I took the time to purchase all sorts of styles that I really liked, and then I decided on my favorite basics. So that would basically mean the skirt, the top, and some sort of like a vest or a corset. For the vest, I chose to do more of a sort of waist cincher with straps, and it basically stretches around the waist area, giving sort of a faux corset look. And I felt this was best so that I wouldn't have to worry about tying stuff behind my back and not doing a very good job. So for me, this worked best. I also purchased a bunch of steampunk buttons and steampunk gems, and I used them to embellish my whole costume. This includes the sort of cincher waist faux corset. I apologize, it's not easy to see in these images, but at the time I was just taking photos instead of a video. So I mostly focused on that and then the boots because I was searching for boots and I kind of thought that they were a little bit higher in price than I wanted to pay at the time and decided to DIY my own when I discovered I had these boots that were lying around that I hadn't worn in a couple of years at the time. And they were just very worn out looking, and I thought I would just give them new purpose. And I thought how perfect would it be to turn them into boots for steampunk looking boots. So I basically took some brown acrylic paint from Apple Barrel and I just used my finger and painted it sporadically so that you could still see some of the original black leather underneath, and I wanted it to have sort of like this two-toned look to the boots. And then I just highlighted the knitting and things like that and embellished it with steampunk buttons, gems, and chains. And this is how it all turned out. All the links to what I used will be linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!